Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so thankful, and I'm really excited to talk about I'm really excited about what we'll be talking about today. Before I even decided on what to talk about, is okay guys, another thing you actually want to journal is what after you have written all those after you've written all of those down, the first you write the positive reasons, happy moments, why you're still alive today, or while you actually scale through yesterday, maybe an event, a situation, a lifestyle change, or whatever. Anything that sort of just causes you to stay happy, you want to actually write that down. Then secondly, you want to write down what you feel, how you feel. Analyze it, put all the words. You can become a poet if you choose to be. You can become a creator. Just really do. Oh guys, don't mind me. I'm not saying you should actually become a creator or anything, but I'm just simply saying you can be as brutally honest with yourself about your situation in your journal, writing your feelings down. Then another thing you want to do is, which is really helpful, you want to actually write down your triggers. What do I mean? You know, sometimes there are certain situations, places, people, yes, people, honestly, that can trigger your depression, anxiety, or sadness. Maybe movies, maybe events, maybe words, maybe certain words that are spoken to you, whether directly to you or indirectly in a space or in an environment. So you want to write down those triggers. Why? Because, like we established earlier, this whole journaling process is you getting to understand your depression better than anyone else. You're getting to understand your depression, and then it will help you to sort of see a pattern and see a way out. Because basically, I think it's easier when you actually identify a problem. It's easier to solve the problem. So you want to know what triggers your depression or anxiety or sadness. And honestly, sometimes you might not really find a trigger. Honestly, sometimes you might not find a trigger. You might not really you don't even understand. There is no reason whatsoever. Like, it doesn't make any sense to you why you feel the way you feel. It's fine. You can still write it down. You can still write it down. So simple as, I don't know how I feel the way I feel today. I don't know why I feel the way I feel today. I don't understand this bigness or sadness. Write it down. So you can better understand, okay, whether your depression is just something that just comes unexplainable or unexplainably, rather. Or your depression is something that is triggered by certain words, situations, circumstances, people, actions. You're going to establish all of that stuff. Once now you are done writing your triggers, right? You want to journal. Possible ways to avoid those triggers. The only time you journal it is really after you have written it. Your mind, it's so beautiful how journaling works. It's so beautiful. Seriously, it just really, literally puts you in perspective of your situation. And because you have perspective, you naturally want to make the situation better. So it takes you to writing down possible action course that you might need to take to steer clear of those trigger words or trigger situations or trigger people. Some people are really toxic. Like, you can't, for me, it was so important for me to steer clear of anything negative, any negative vibe, regardless of where it was coming from. It was so important. So once I just sense it, whether on social media, whether face-to-face, whether with situations, whatever, just negative vibes, it was so important for me to just steer clear. So yes, people can be toxic. So it means writing certain things down to help you steer clear of even people. You're going to have to do it. Yes, you will. And that's not because you're a mean person or you're evil or you're a snob. That's not it. It's simply because your mental health is so important to you, to everyone else, okay? So after you do that, naturally, this part begins to happen. It's not you like sitting to consciously get in that position or in that state of mind. No, it just naturally, literally just falls in place. The next thing you want to now journal are images, perspective, pictures, ideas of who you want to reflect or who you believe you reflect. And that is where positive affirmations are born, in that place. Okay? You find that, you know what? You begin to be fueled, you begin to be energized, you begin to be driven by certain ideas and perspectives, or by certain ideas really of the person you are or the person you want to become. Okay? I think I'm definitely going to put the link of that video down below, because we need to understand. I'm definitely going to put a link of that video down below, so that you can actually just take a look at it and just reacquaint yourself, or follow along. But basically, affirmations are positive words that you consciously speak out loud, either out loud or within. You speak out to get a desired goal or desired result. Those are positive affirmations. Okay, so when you speak those words, they actually just begin to energize and reflect it. You might not see the first time, you might not see the second week, but eventually you got to be consistent to be able to see the results. So eventually you begin to actually feel like that. You begin to feel like all the words that you speak. You begin to feel like the words that you actually portray. You can begin to say things. That is where you have the confidence to speak words like, I am powerful, I am enough, I am bold, I am overcoming, I am overtaking, I am beautiful, I am conquering, I am a survivor. That is where you begin to feed, that is where you begin to get the power and the juice to speak those kinds of positive words. And honestly, as you do it over time, you really begin to exude that kind of confidence. I'm not a huge fan of fake it until you make it, but maybe then, this literally sort of causes you to maybe outwardly fake it. I don't think it is outward fake, because it comes from the within. Did I just say comes from the within? It comes from within, from inside of you. See, it's so pure. It's so liberating. It's so empowering, that kind of feeling. And I really feel like you want to do that. Then, oh my God, guys, so this morning, I saw that I've got 55 minutes views on my channel. Oh my God, my little channel is growing. I'm so excited. You guys, keep watching. Like, I saw somebody with over 2 million hours views. But I'll get there. It just literally helps me see that there's growth. And that's what journaling does to you. You begin to actually see like a record of how much growth you have been able to sustain with or throughout your journey. I hope you guys are loving the content so far. If you are, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Oh my God, 55 minutes view, guys. I can't get over it, I swear. It's so cool. I feel really great. I know it's not such a huge feat, but it's really cool. This is really what I like about, journaling and documenting your live events process. Huge feat, but it's really cool. This is really what I like about, journaling and documenting your live events processes. It's really cool. You just see how far you have come. And that's ultimately what you get from journaling your experiences, journaling your thoughts, journaling your feelings, journaling your fears, journaling your worries, journaling your concerns, journaling your biggest fears, journaling how you imagine. Lord, you guys, I see myself as an overtaker, like an overcomer, like big time overcomer. I gotta say it, I am an overcomer. God, this is so cool. So please, I hope this video has been helpful to somebody, honestly. And I really hope that you get this video, you get to see it and understand how you can begin to journal your experience and understand how positive affirmations can begin with you. And I'll really encourage you to do that. Like I said, again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a therapist, I'm not a counselor, I am not a psychologist. I am just a survivor. I am just a fighter. And I want you to know that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I also want you to know that these too shall pass. Definitely pass. It's a process, it's a journey. You can't be there forever. You can't be there forever. You just gotta choose, right? So it's just about a choice to make. And I just really want you to make the choice and the decision to so just move on from this. And this definitely will pass. Thank you so much for watching. I am Nancy. I am powerful. I am enough. Definitely enough. I am creative. Jeez, the way my mind works is unbelievable. I am innovative. I am an overtaker. Yes, I am a dancer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Okay? Bye.